Dear student friends, today we are going to discuss the character pointer and what is its importance, how the character pointer differentiate from the array with different examples. What is a character pointer? Remember, as pointer has the ability to store the address, here the character pointer means if you want to store the address of a character, then you have to declare a variable that is character type with star notation, which gives rise to the concept of a character pointer. As we know, the string arrays, string means the set of character. The set of character is ended with /0 as a null character. Because as we know, string is the set of character. While you press enter key internally, the string is ended with /0. But if somebody asks why we use the character pointer, the answer is to manipulate the string, to make the efficient memory management, we have to take the help of the character pointer. Manipulation means we have to store the value through the pointer, we can changes the value through the pointer, we can delete the positional value in a string, and many other things which is possible by character pointer so efficiently. Means instead of taking a large memory heap, you have to point to a particular memory location. Accordingly, you can increase or decrease the size of the memory according to the requirement. Hence, no wastage of memory will be takes place. What are the key or the important point to remember? Character pointer are essential for string manipulations. Manipulation means you can add, you can remove, you can change anything that is known as your manipulation as well as access. You can use the character pointer to traverse or manipulate the string. Traverse means you have to access. Manipulate means you can do any operation like add, change, remove, delete, etc. and etc. And how the character pointer will be declared? Let us take the example through which the use of character pointer is verified. See, if this is character string car str of 7 means 7 character it can store, as the example is string, or you can store any value. Suppose the address location is 100, then next location is 101 and like this, and the last location is /0 as a null character. It is a string. If you do not store 7 character, the rest of the character is also conjugated. But if you declare character string or character pointer variable, then it will store the base address, means the first address. If you increment plus plus or plus 1, what it indicates? As we know pointer arithmetic, each type of data according to the space consumed by the variable, then it will increase as much. As character takes 1 byte, automatically from the base address it will go on 1 next. Suppose character pointer store the address as 1000 or the address value is 100, then plus 1 means it will go to 101, plus 1 means it will go 102, and accordingly it moves to the next character. But in array we can access is 0th location, 1th location, 2th location, and so on. So pointer points to the starting address of the pointer that holds the string as the set of the character. Here the starting position of the base address is 100, and if character pointer is added by 1, it will go to the next location by adding 1 bytes, because character takes 1 bytes of a memory space. First example is taken how we have to declare a single character, and that character address will be stored in a pointer variable and we have to access it. Suppose we declare ch equal to a, that variable's address is stored in another variable, that is pointer, because pointer having the ability to store the address of another variable. If we access pointer of car point ptr, means in car ptr the address of ch is stored. If you write pointer car ptr, it will display a. If you only display car ptr, it will display the address. Dereferencing means as command line we have to access the value. If we want to run this program, move to your online editor, you can write the program and run it. Suppose I have previously written, just I have to copy, moves to our online editor and start running the program. Next comes to your online editor, run this program, and what you will get? The value a will be retrieved. If I do not place pointer, what is it display? It will display the address of that variable, that it will display the address or anything, it will display like this. Pointer means we have to display the value at that location whose address holds here. Hence, the value is A displayed. Next example. If we want to store the string value in a pointer, then how you have to define? Car pointer str, it will store hello world is the set of character. If we only display str, it will display hello world, means the entire value will display. Why the %s is taken? Because the string value, formatted string is %s. If you access str of only str 1th location, then it will display h. If we display str of second location, that is e, but instead of extracting one by one, we can access in detail. In the latter part, we are accessing one by another. Means you take a memory location, does not give the subscript value as dimension, but we access the value. If you want to store that string and access it and run it in the online compiler, again you move to your online compiler and start running the program. Then if this program is run, the entire hello world will display, or you can store any value. Means we take a memory location from the static point as pointer, then we store the value and access the value. Then take third example, traversing the string one after another. Suppose in str, as dimension not specified, any number of characters will be stored. Suppose hello, here string is stored, or you can store hello. In pointer ptr, we are storing the base address of str. Base address means here, as this address will be stored in ptr, because pointer can hold the base address of any string. Now, if you want to access from the start to the last, then what we have to take? Only ptr means address. Pointer ptr means the first location, that is s. It will check either s not equal to minus /0. Yes, s is not /0. When it will encounter? If it will reach at the end of the string, not equal to 0. Hence, first location will display pointer ptr means it is s here, and as we are string hello h, it will display the first character h. ptr plus plus means it moves to the second location, that is 101 location. Here it is t, but in case of hello, in t location e will be there. Hence, it takes e not equal to /0. Yes, hence e will display like this. It will go one by one location and access the entire characters. And when it reaches at /0, /0 not equal to /0, false. It will come out of the loop, and still then all the values is being displayed. Means we move to a particular memory location and access the desired character. This is known as your string traversal in a pointer. If you want to access it, move to your online editor and start running the program. Move to your online editor and start running the program. Let I move to the online compiler and run it. What the result it will display? It is result display hello. Suppose you store hello hi, accordingly the result will be displayed. Whatever the value you store, that value will be accessed automatically. Then you go to the next example. Now we want to modify a string by the help of your pointer. Suppose in str, as dimension not specified, suppose hello is stored as string is here, and in pointer ptr you store the str, means the base address is stored. Base address means your 100, means ptr store the first address. And now if we access ptr of 1, 1 means the t location here, here 1 location means e location here. That value will be changed as a, means instead of e, here the value is changed as a. Or if here is changed, instead of t, the value a is changed. Means now hello does not spell out hello, rather it is changed hallo. Hallo is stored in ptr, means entire string value is changed. How you have to know? If you display the str, instead of hello, it will display hallo. Suppose if you want to store the location 2, that is it is here r, if it is l, now it will become HEALO means we are changing a particular location in a string through the help of your pointer. If you want to run it, then move to your online compiler, copy this set of code and start running it out. Then hello becomes how much? Hello becomes HALLO. Suppose you want to change in the two location, then what will happen? It will become HEALO, means a particular location in the string get changed by the help of your pointer. Then the last example in character pointer, by using function call without using any string function, we have to find out the length of a string. The program starts from here. In str, hello is stored. You pass the str. As the string is passed, the base address is passed, we have to receive it by the help of your pointer. Now we store that pointer address in a ptr variable as a character pointer. C equal to 0 means we have to count number of a character. Pointer ptr means the first location. First location, while pointer ptr means still you are getting a valid character. While you are getting /0, the while meets to false means first character is found, hence ptr will go to the next location means 101 location. C is incremented by 1 because one character is found, it becomes 1. Next character, yes it is true, another ptr plus plus means it goes to the third location. C is incremented by 1, like this 5 times it will move for the string as the hello, as we are passing hello, hence C will be incremented by 5. If it is string as 6 character, it will be 6. Here in case of a hello as 5 character, C is incremented by 5. While ptr moves to the next character, it will find out /0. /0 while is false. False means it comes out of the loop. Hence C is displayed. What is the value of C? C will be the 5 and the program terminates. While returning to the string function, it will comes to the end of the program and the result will be length is 5. If you want to run this program, move to your online editor, copy this set of code, or if you are having code to be written, move to the online compiler, start running the program. But will display, it will display as hell 5. If you write more character hello hi and run it, it will display hello as a 5 character, space is a character 6, hi as a 3 character, and hence total number of character is 9. So in character pointer we represent different example by taking 5 different example for traversing, for modifying, for storing and accessing the value. I think character pointer you understand. Having any doubt, please make the comments. Those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel. Those like the video, kindly like the video. In the next class, we are going to discuss another important topic is type of pointer. Thank you. See you in the next class.